save this for people. Hi Preeti, thank you for joining. Okay, if you could share it with other people, that would be helpful. So today we are going to look at the palazzo sets, and they are in the range of 1100 to few pieces which are in different ranges. So we'll just go through with it. So this is the first design, as you can see. Okay, so it's rayon fabric and it has buttons and knotted designs, you can see. Like this. Okay, so this is the kurta that you'll be getting. Please let me know if the lighting and everything is perfect or not, or if you are facing any issue, because this is my first time. And then it has a palazzo which is of floral. I really request you all to share the live so that more people can join. So this is the first set that I have. This is the kurta and this will be the palazzo. Both are in rayon fabric and the range will be 1100 for this piece. Unfortunately, I have only one size available in this one, which is XL size. So the bust size will be somewhere around 38 to 40, but it has some margin. If you want to extend it, you can. So this was the first one. Let's move on to the other design. And this is the second design, if you can see. So this is in the orange color with piping work. This is matching to your palazzo, and then you have styling on your sleeves, and you have a very small pocket. These all are in rayon fabric, and if you have any question you can post it. I'll try to answer. And then you have palazzo, which is again the printed one. So most of these designs will have the printed palazzo and a solid color kurti, and to match it you have the piping work at the neck. Okay, so originally this was priced at 1400, but if you book it now under the sale, you'll get it for 1100, and that amount is including the shipping all over India. Okay, this was the second design. Now moving on to the third one. This is the third design, which is in royal blue color. It has a latkan with it, a wooden latkan, so that you can tighten it. If it is loose, you can tighten it from here. And it has wooden buttons as well, you can see. Okay, and again the same pattern follows, where you have piping work on your sleeves and neck, matching with your kurta, matching with your pajama, sorry. And this will be your pajama. Again the size available is XL. And this will cost you under discount 1100 including shipping all over India. Okay, let's move on to the other design. This will be the fourth design, which is again a solid color kurti in beige. It has a slight cut on your neck, and then there is a dori on your kurti with the wooden tassels. Again, on your sleeves you have these fabric buttons. So this is the sleeve design. Then again you have the work to match your pajama. This is your pajama. These are in rayon fabrics. So this will be your set. I'll be posting the pictures as well for later reference. Whoever is joining, if you have any question, please let me know. Or if you have any comments that I can improvise on, that would be very helpful. Okay, if you want to take a look from a bit far, this is the set. Okay, let's move on to the other. So this is the fifth design. It's an orangish red. It's not exactly orange the way you can see on the live. It's a bit of orange plus red mix color, and it has again wooden buttons on the kurta. You have designs on your kurta. This is your design. And on your sleeves it has a smart sleeve so that you can tuck it up. And then again, to match with your pajama, it has sleeves, and this will be your pajama. Same solid kurti, solid color kurti with printed pajamas, both in rayon fabrics, so easy and breathable during summer. Actual cost, actual MRP, you can see, is for 1400, but under the sale they are for 1100 including shipping all over India. Okay, let's move on to the other design. So this is the last piece in this, what can we say, this is the last piece of the same design and pattern. After this we'll have look on few other pieces. So again, this is a solid color kurti on rayon with buttons and a piping design on the front. On the back, plain. This is on rayon fabric. Hello Aishwarya, thank you for joining in. And then you have this printed palazzo. And to match the palazzo, you have the piping work on your neck. Okay. Again, same pattern, solid color kurti and printed palazzo. Let me know if there you can see the video properly, if there is any issue or if there is something you want to know. Hi Aishwarya, thank you for showing love. This is our first time we are doing the live, so if you can spread the word, that would be very helpful. Okay, so this is the set, and this is on rayon fabric, which is considered very comfortable during summers. Actual price is 1400 excluding shipping, but right now due to the demand and to get some business during COVID, we have kept the sale price of 1100 including shipping all over India. Okay, so this was the last design. Please let me know if some of you have missed or would like to see the designs I showed once again. Okay, so this was the last piece in this catalog. Now I have few other pieces that I will cover because they are of a bit lower range. So this is again a kurti in the bandhani print, and it has thread work, hand work done with threads, zari threads on the kurta. And it has the same on sleeves as well. Okay, and you have a dhoti style at bottom. Again, they both are in rayon fabric, and they were actually 1220, but right now under discount they are for 890 rupees. So at the bottom it has handwork, so you can wear it on normal days as well as some occasion. The size of this piece will be XL. I think we will wind up for today. I can't see anyone live. So if you have any questions regarding any of the piece, please post it or you can ping us. We will try to answer as soon as possible. This was the last piece that I showed you, which is kurti, a balloon style kurti with this beautiful dhoti style pants, which has some handwork as well. This is just for 890, and the size of it is XL size. Any questions, anything that you would like to tell me for the improvisation, please ping me. Okay, thank you for joining in. Have a nice day.